What's good, guys? So look, so on this reel, I'm gonna show y'all how to put on a SharkBite 1/2 inch shutoff valve. This is a supply shutoff valve. You usually put it on the hot and cold line. If you notice, the hot up here already got one on it. So now I'm about to put the cold one on. It's very, very easy. You just need the right tool and the right piece. So the piece is this. It's a 1/2 inch on both ends, and it's pretty much a shutoff. And then the tool you use is pipe cutters. It costs about 15-20 bucks at the store. Well worth it. It cuts it like butter. Check it out. So, the water off. Make sure you always turn the water off always first. The water gotta go off. So, right here, what you do is I find a good spot. If you see them cranking, crank. So, you don't just cut. You twist with a little cut. With a little pressure. Crank. Pow. You have a little bit of water come out, and you're good to go. So sometimes you could just put this on without having to cut no more off. If you got a little flexibility. So right here, I want my valve to turn off down like this, so I don't gotta reach so high. So what you do is you push this in and push. You gotta make sure it's all the way on. So this side's on. This side. Pull it back, push, and really, guys, it's that simple. Look, that's off, that's on, and it spins and everything. So if it spins on y'all, don't get worried. That's part of what SharkBites do. Again, that way is on, that way is off. So today's episode of putting the SharkBite on. See ya. Like, subscribe, comment below. Deuces.